The OG on a J27.
We made it, man. We made it.
Now we gotta find it.
Oh yeah, let's keep our eyes logged. Where is it?
Oh, I see it.
Where?
Up there. It's coming out of the clouds a little bit.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. Yes, man. Damn, bro. Damn, it's so far away. Holy shit. There's no way we can walk there. Oh my god. He's gonna go in trees, man.
Yeah, of course he feels that way.
He's gonna go in trees.
Yeah. He'll be singing that new tune.
Yeah, exactly. He'll be singing 042 now. And I'm gonna be like, you wanted to walk.
Not the trees, man.
You did your level exam earlier today, right?
Oh, yeah. Where is it? Oh, it's way out there.
It's way out there.
I mean, maybe
Wind will shift it towards the trees. Oh, please.
I don't even see it. I'm so scared.
Really?
Really should put an air tag.
It's really like 30
I
degrees.
can't believe I didn't think about it. I have one. Man.
I don't think AirTag can spot it.
Why?
People need to be around there. Yeah.
No, because mine has like a whole GPS. Like if I've left it in a totally different like state, it'll be like you left your keys here.
Oh. Shit, where is it?